Hi guys, welcome back to new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your SEMBLY AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your SEMBLY AI's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your SEMBLY AI application. The home page of SEMBLY AI account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on little gear icon next to your profile name. From the pop-up, tap on Sign Out option. It will sign you out of your SEMBLY AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.